Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be comparing the bar charts and the candlesticks, okay? The bar charts and the candlestick charts. We are trying to examine, both of them to find out which one will be a better fit for you, okay? So in your opinion, which of these charts tells the best story? Which of these charts do you think it's better? Okay, you can let us know in the comment section. All right, so if you're looking to enhance your trading analysis, stick around because we are unpacking the unique features and benefits of both chart types, right? Let's start with bar charts. Okay, so I'm just going to be changing this to bar charts. Where is that? Okay, so I'm just going to be changing this to bar charts. Okay. Now, bar charts offer a straightforward representation of price movements over time. As we can see, it's more straightforward than candlesticks. Okay. Now, each bar displays four key price points: the open, right? The open, the high, the low, and the close. The open, each candle, each of them each bar each bar has, as you can see, it's indicated on the bars, right? You can see this line here, see this line here, see this line here, this line representing both the open and the close, right? And then the uppermost part is the high, the lowest part is the low. Okay, so each bar displays the four key price points, which are the open, the high, the low, and the close. This minimalistic format allows you to see price ranges clearly. Okay, you can be able to see price ranges clearly, which can be especially useful during those volatile market conditions. Now, one of the significant advantages of bar charts is their simplicity. So if you're the kind of trader looking for simplicity, then you might find bar charts quite interesting. That is, if you are looking for simplicity. Because the bar charts help you focus on the essential data without any distractions. If you are a trader who prefers a clean and concise view of price action, bar charts might just be your best friend. Okay. Now let's turn our attention to candlestick charts. Let's go back to candlestick charts, right? Now these charts have gained immense popularity for their ability to convey more than just price movement. Okay. Each candlestick provides information not only about price levels but also about market sentiment and potential reversals. The colors and shapes of the candles tell a story about how buyers and sellers are interacting. Okay, so the candlesticks basically they present more information than the bar charts. All right. For instance, a long green or blue candle, depending on the color code that you are using, it shows a strong buying pressure, right? Shows strong buying pressure. On the other hand, a long red candlestick, shows strong selling pressure. Understanding these nuances can give you a significant edge in predicting future price movements. Okay, so which one should you choose? It really depends on your trading style. If you are looking for a straightforward approach, bar charts might be the way to go. However, if you want a deeper understanding of market psychology and potential reversals, candlestick charts could be more beneficial. All right. So throughout this video, so far we have explored the strengths and weaknesses of both bar charts and candlestick charts. It's just a brief comparison, right? It's just a brief comparison between the bar charts and the candlestick chart. So whether you are a beginner trying to figure out which chart suits you best or a seasoned trader looking to refine your analysis, I hope you found this information valuable. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insights into the world of Forex trading. We've got plenty more tutorials and tips coming your way. Okay? In case if you have any more questions about bar charts or candlesticks, please drop your questions in the comment section below so that we can respond to you and share ideas as well. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.